It's been a lovely, lovely journey, and Sia has practiced every day for 2 hours without me. And this is the biggest Guru Dakshina I can ask from her as a Shishya, and she has, she's an inspiration to everyone, all the dance students here, whoever are here, that without sadhana, without practice, you cannot survive. How much ever talented you are, but if you do not practice, you cannot stand up here and do 2.5 hours of performance. Because of her practice and sadhana, she was able to improvise last minute on stage. I don't think any of you came to know, but I did. As her guru, I definitely did come to know, but she did an excellent job of making sure, even though she was improvising, she kept the beats and the thala going. So here in the orchestra, we were all smiling at each other. But excellent job. On this note, today being the 75th Independence Day of India, I would like to share my experience as a dancer. Sometimes I feel sad for our Indian classical dance because it has not been given that kind of level that it requires and it needs. British came, Mughals came, they, eradicated all our beautiful Vedas, our tradition, and now that I'm doing my diploma in Natya Shastra from Shri Shri University, and I can see how much of a treasure we have, an Indian classical dance, Indian classical music, and the Natya Shastra written by Bharata Muni is a treasure. So please, as a spectator, it is very important that you also do a little bit of abhyas of Indian classical dance. It's very important. In Abhinaya Darpana, they have very well put forth how a spectator has to be. When a learned spectator is sitting in the audience, even a beginner level, Arangetram doesn't mean she's become an expert. Arangetram is a spoon-feeding thing. But even for her to know that you understand Indian classical dance is an honor. It's a big honor to us. I'm a Maharashtrian, I go to different temples to perform, and unfortunately, the priests out there, they get a shock that I'm doing Bharatnatyam because I'm a Maharashtrian. That has nothing to do with you or which part of India. It's an Indian classical dance, period. So for me, when I hear them feeling shocked about it, it shocks me. Because I feel bad that how badly our Indian classical dance and music has been treated. This Bollywood and all, even I was a part of it, but that never gave me the amount of enjoyment that I got from Indian classical dance. So a sincere request to each one of you to be a learned spectator and treat Indian classical dance, be it Bharatnatyam, be it Kathak, be it Mohiniyattam, be it Odissi, have a little bit of background about this dance forms. So it is not written anywhere in Natya Shastra that if you are of a certain community, only then you can pursue the art form. Bharatnatyam can be done by everybody and anybody, whoever has the ability to take forward this art form. So, on this Rangamanch, on this stage, I am appealing all of you on this Independence Day that please make Indian classical dance and music, very popular. And you can make it popular. We are going out of the way to learn, pursue, teach. And for these kids also, they are born and brought up in America. It's not easy for them to switch and switch off between the two cultures. it's a lot of cultural difference. When they go to school, they have to mingle and get merged with that kind of, those people there. When they come home, it's a different story. And then again, learning an art form where, you know, you're talking about gods and goddesses having feelings and having, you know, today she portrayed the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. What an incredible job for a 15-year-old. What an incredible job. I mean, when I saw her, I forgot one of my lines because I was so much I was in tears. Because I've seen her since she was 5, you know, and for her to unfold into this beautiful 15-year-old girl, for me, it's like a motherly feeling because I am her second mother, and I do scold her at times, which if she doesn't have good values, I get mad at her. But that's my job. I'm the guru. So thank you again for giving your blessings, and Sia and I together appeal to you all. Please take our Indian classical dance and music to the next level. Support us. Keep this art form alive. This is Bharata Natyam, coming from Bharat, India.